Welcome students, let us see one more question for Bocconi University test. This is a very simple question based on properties of rhombus. In this figure, ABCD is a rhombus. We have to find the value of x. As you know, rhombus is a parallelogram also, and the opposite sides are parallel. So if this is the x angle, so its alternate interior angle will be x. This will be also x, and you know the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at 90 degree. So the angle between diagonals will be a 90 degree. Let us suppose they intersect at point O. So as you can see, triangle AOB will be a right angle triangle, and if this is right angle triangle, the angle sum property we can apply. So 40 plus 90 plus x should be equals to 180 degree. So from here we can get x is equals to 50 degree. So our answer will be 50 degree. This was a very simple question. Let us see one more question. If the sugar price is reduced by 25%, see the price of sugar is reduced by increased by 25%. Sorry, price has been increased by how much percent consumption should be reduced such that expenses remains constant. For such a question, see, please convert this into the fractional value. So 25 upon 100, so this will be 1 by 4. So if the product of two quantity is always constant, see, if the product of any two numbers or any two quantity will be a constant, so if one will increase, other has to be decreased to keep it constant. If one is to be decreased, other has to be increased to be product to be constant. But how much increase, how much decrease, that's the question. So the concept is, see, if the product of two number A into B is going to be a constant quantity, in this case we have rate and quantity. See, it is equal to total expenses, right? My rate multiplied by quantity will give expenses. If rate will increase, I have to decrease my quantity to keep expense constant, right? So now, as in this question, my rate is increased by 1 by 4. My rate has been increased by 1 by 4. Its rate has been increased, so quantity should be decreased. To get a fractional value by which it will going to decrease, what you have to do, the first rule, you have to change only the denominator, either to increase, either to decrease. We have to change only the denominator. And to decrease any fractional value, see what I'm saying, only change denominator, only focus on denominator, either to increase, either to decrease. In all case, in present case, I have to decrease the fractional value. So to decrease the fractional value, my denominator should be high. If denominator will be greater, value will be less. So I have to do 1 upon 1 plus 4. We have to add numerator and denominator. So what it will be, it will be 1 over 5. It will be 1 over 5, right? So 1 over 5 means how much percentage? Now convert again it into percentage. So that is equals to 20%. To convert this into the percentage, just multiplied by 100. I hope you know this very well. So its answer should be 20%. So its answer should be B, right? I hope you have understood these two questions. So if you have liked this content, please like this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.